Hi, this is Mariana for Ms. Fabulous and doing an unboxing from this wonderful lingerie company from Adore Me. Really excited. They have really beautiful things. My curves are a little hard to fit, so I'm always excited when there's any company that makes things in my size. So let's see what we have here today. Hashtag here for it. Ooh, perfect for Valentine's Day. My favorite color, purple. I'm very excited to wear this. Really beautiful lace on nude mesh and a matching panty. And you want to feel like a superstar. This adorable, adorable bra with embroidered stars. And matching pants again. And let's see, this is bright red. Little high top brief for days when you need to be super comfortable. Ooh, and a very fuzzy, soft, long nightshirt with kind of like a waffle semi-transparent knit on the sleeves. Hoodie, my favorite for lounging around at home. Oh, and it's a long, long nightshirt, which you could wear leggings with, don't need to wear leggings with. Really excited. So, cozy and comfortable, and then the sexy stuff. Thank you, Adore Me.